Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I am going to teach you question number 1 from exercise 1.1 from NCERT syllabus. This is for class 10 students. In my previous video, I have already taught you the basics of Euclid division algorithm. You can please check that for clear understanding. Now let's start. The question here is we have to find HCF of these two numbers using Euclid division algorithm. Now, in any simple division, what is the condition which we know? Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by the quotient plus remainder. The same is mentioned here as A is equal to BQ plus R, where A and B are the two numbers, that is positive integers. Q is the quotient and R is the remainder. Now, here we should take this as A. Why? Because this is the greater number. Here 135 is B, as this is the smaller one. Now, first step, what we are going to do is we are going to divide 225 will be divided by 135. So how many 135s will be there? Only one. So 135 subtract 0, 12 minus 3 is 90. So we have finished this. We have to write the statement. What we can see? Dividend is 225. 225 is equal to, what is the divisor? Divisor here is 135 multiplied by the quotient. What is the quotient? 1 plus the remainder 90. So you can check 135 plus 90 is 225. Now here R is not equal to 0. We have to perform the division till R becomes 0. Now we are going to do the division again with these two numbers. The divisor will be taken as A and the remainder will be taken as B. Now divide 135 by 90. How many 90s will be there? Here only one. So 90 subtract 545. A is equal to BQ plus R, that is 135 is equal to 90 multiplied by 1 plus 45. 90 plus 45 is 135. So again it is obvious that R is not equal to 0. We are going to perform the division again with which number? These two numbers. Now this is the dividend and this is the divisor, that is A and B. Now 90 will be divided by 45. So we know that 2 45s are 90. So the remainder will be 0. Finally we have got the dividend. 90 is equal to 45 multiplied by this 2 plus the remainder 0. So finally we got the remainder as 0. So we have to stop the process here. Now R is equal to 0. Hence the process ends. Okay. Now what is the HCF? Finally the divisor in the last step where the remainder becomes 0, the divisor in the last step is always the HCF. Now therefore HCF of These which two numbers? 135 and 225 is 45. This is the answer. Okay. Shall we move on to the second subdivision now? Now second subdivision. The same, A is equal to B cube plus R, the Euclid's condition, and where R should be less than B and it should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now these are the two numbers, 196 and 38,220. This is the greater one taken as A, smaller one taken as B. Now 38,220 is greater than 196. Now we are dividing 38,220 divided by 196. Now apply here in this condition. So what is the dividend? A, 38,220 is equal to, what is B? 196, okay, multiplied by the quotient. What is the quotient? 195 plus the remainder. What's the remainder? Remainder is 0. Okay. Now here, as R equal to 0, therefore HCF of 196 and 38,220 is, what's the answer? We know that in the last step where the remainder becomes 0, the divisor is always the HCF. So what is the answer? 196 is the HCF. Okay. Now third subdivision. What is the third subdivision? 867 and 255. This will be A and this is smaller, it will be taken as B. Now 867 is greater than 255. We have to perform the division. So 867 is divided by 255, round it off to 250 means that will be 3 times 750. So 15, 1, 15, 16, 6 plus 1, 7. Subtract it. 7 minus 5 is 2. 0. Answer is 102. Now 867, that is the dividend, is equal to divisor 255 multiplied by the quotient. What is the quotient? 3 plus the remainder 102. So it's very obvious that R is not equal to 0. Now we are taking these two numbers to the division. These two numbers, this will be taken as A and the remainder will be taken as B. 255 will be divided by which number? 102. There will be 2 hundreds. So 2 2s are 4, 0. Answer is 151. Okay. Here, what is the dividend? 255 is equal to 102. Divisor multiplied by the quotient plus the remainder 51. Again, R is not equal to 0. Okay. We are going to perform the division again with these two numbers. Now this is A and this is B. So I think this will be the final step. 102 divided by 51. 1, there will be 2 51s. So 2, yes. Now 51, sorry, 102, that is the dividend is equal to divisor, that is 51 multiplied by the quotient plus the remainder 0. Now as r is equal to 0, okay, so the process ends here. Therefore HCF of 867 and 255 is which number? The divisor in the last step. This divisor in the last step will be the highest common factor. That is the answer, 51. I hope all the 3 subdivisions you must have understood clearly. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.